Hey guys, Matt here again with Lee Holster Hangers. I had put together another video for how you put one of these together with the standard hardware. This one here is going to be for the ball mount. Okay, so take the package of hardware that you got with your head, because I send this no matter what. Take this, put this in your range bag. You're not going to need it for this application, but keep it for backup. All right, ball mount. You got your jaw situation. Got the hole in the middle there. That's where the ball's gonna go. As you can see right now, it's not round because it's gonna sandwich down. These two screws are already installed. When I send it, they're 1/4 20. You're gonna have to back those up a little bit. Okay. This is gonna come with these 4 pieces of hardware here. 5/8 long, a 1/4 20 screw, 2 1/2 inch long 1/4 20 screws, and a 3/8 long. All right, this is the ball. Solid 1 piece of aluminum, machined with the ball. It's not stuck on or whatever. All right, you can take here. Got the holster. I got a holster here set up from Alex up at Black Mammoth Holsters for Shadow 2. There's the Y plate. You're gonna have that Y plate in your package. Okay, 1/4 20 threads. Take on here. Find this one here is. This one here is going to be questionable, but because I'm using a button head here, need to switch that out. So go to this one here. All right, what you do is you pick a couple spots down here that your hardware is not taking up. You take those 1/2 inch screws. You screw that ball on here. Okay, get that ball on there. As you can see, I'm on the side that will be facing into my leg because the countersunk holes here are for the screws for the holster. Okay, those are all countersunk. Your hardware will ride over the top of that. All right, so you got the ball mount attached to the Y plate. Okay, from here you take this piece of this, and what you want to do here, this side here is going to go against your leg. This is going to be inside your belt. This is facing out. Okay. This is going to go on here. You find a spot that you like for height. You're going to need to measure stuff up. Take that 5/8 screw, put it through the thicker part into that hole. Okay. Now you got the 3/8 down here. You got a couple choices there. Okay. You drop that in there. That 3/8 is just long enough to catch into the metal, but not go through so far that it affects the operation of what would be the live jaw on a vise. Okay. Tighten those down. You see, I got every one of these 1/2 inch apart, so we've got a 1.5 inch spread on there. Okay, live jaw here still operational. Okay, after you get that on there, what you do is you open that up enough. Okay, you pop that ball right in there, and obviously the Y is where your holster is going to be, right in there like that. And you begin the process here of bringing these down. What you want to do is you want to get them, like I'm using a long ball end Allen wrench. Okay, you want to get that snug. You start playing around with that to get where. Obviously, if you got the holster and the gun on it, you start getting that where you're going to want that. This way here, we're going to have quite a bit outward cant like that. Here, we're pulling the gun way in towards that. That's more straight up and down. This is also going to be able to go way back. You got 360 degrees of rotation. You'd never run it that way, but if you want to be back here, like coming out way out. Okay, get that where you want it. Okay, like I said, these are 1/4 20 hardware in aluminum. You can pull on these things. Okay, no need for Loctite on my stuff. Okay, you crank this down. You put Loctite in there if you want, but you crank that down. Right there, and that sucker is not going to move. Okay, you get that on there. You got to put some pressure on it, but it's going to pinch onto that ball because the way that's cut, like that, there's a relief inside there, so you're actually gripping that ball in 4 spots. Okay, after that, you're locked in, good to go. You got your holster. After that, you mount this right here, clamp that onto your belt. Okay, and you're nice and solid. All right. Have a good day.